Hi there, welcome to bestyourteacher.com. Today in this WordPress lesson, I am going to start WordPress lesson number 2. In this WordPress tutorial, I will tell you how to take a domain name, means how to purchase a domain name, and how to purchase a hosting for your website, and how to connect both of them. Please watch this video till the end because this is very important part of your website. Without domain or without hosting, you can't start your website online. So let's start this video. So for domain name, I'm going to search domain name in godaddy.com. You can use other domain providers also like BigRock, resellerclub.com. So many domain providers are available. You can choose anyone. So just type here GoDaddy. So this is the godaddy.com. I am just going to search here by domain name. As per your business, you can search your domain name, and if the domain name is available, you can book it. For example, like if you are doing a toys business, you can purchase besttoys.com. Like that, if you are doing a flower business, you can search the domain related flowers or related the delivery. Like that, your business, you can search your domain and just book it. As I'm going to make WordPress lesson, so I'm just searching the WordPress lesson as a domain name. Just click on search here and you can see so many domain names are available for this. Here WordPress lesson.org is also available, .io available, .net available, .live also available, .co.in. As per your choice, you can choose anything, but I suggest you to always do the top level domain like .com, .org, .net, etc. It's good for SEO. Now I'm going to take this domain WordPress lesson.biz. Just click on add to cart. It's added and I need it for 1 year. Just click on 1 year. After that, continue cart. I don't want anything. There are so many options available. Full domain privacy. I don't want anything. Just click on no thanks because we don't want anything. And after that, click on continue cart and make it for 1 year. They are asking for mail IDs. We don't want it. Just delete it and click on checkout. So now it's asking for create an account. To create an account, we need an email ID. If you don't have any email ID, just go to Google and create one email ID. Click on Gmail and just create a new account. I'm telling you all these things step by step. If you don't have any knowledge, no need to panic. Just follow this process and easily you can do all this process. Just write your first name and last name and successfully your email ID is created. Now you can put your email ID and username password and you can sign in with the Google also. Just click on Google because we already created our email account. Just click here. Your first name, last name and phone number is mandatory. Just write your phone number here and just save it. After that, you need to pay. You can pay using credit card, debit card, even wallets also. I am using my wallet. Now click on complete purchase. Click on wallet. Select wallet, whatever where you want to pay. Just click on make payment. I am using Paytm. You can use other wallet also. Now just check your mail. You can see all details are available here. And now you need to verify your email address. Just click on verify now. It's necessary to verify your after verification successfully. Just click on view my domain and you can see WordPress is available now. Our first part is completed. We successfully booked our domain from GoDaddy. Now our next part is take a web hosting from a good company. I will suggest Hostgator, Reseller Club and Cloudways also. So in this video, I am going to show you how to take hosting from Hostgator. Just open a new window and type hostgator.in. In description, link is available. You can go through this link also. So many hostings are available. WordPress hosting, Linux shared hosting, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting. As per your scale of website, you can choose the hostings. Here you can see 4 plans are available: startup, hatching, baby and business. You can choose anyone. In this plan, you can see the single domain and 10 GB SSD space, 100 GB transfer, and 5 email ID. And in baby plan, unlimited domains, unlimited SSD space, and unlimited transfer, and unlimited email ID. So I always prefer baby plan and business plan. So you can choose anyone. After choosing your plan, just click on buy now. It's asking you, or you already have a domain for your hosting. Yes, we already have domain. Just click on yes, and here just uncheck all these things because we don't want these things right now. After that, just type your domain here. This is our domain. Just now we purchased this domain. So right here the domain name. Click on continue. Just click on continue, and it's also asking for sign in. We already have Google account. Just click on Google, and automatically it's sign in. Just write your details here, and after that click on next, and just set your password here. Retype the password and click on create account. After that, same process. You can use credit card, debit card, Paytm also. Just click on I agree and pay now. You can see same payment pages are available. Now I'm going to skip this payment part again because in domain purchasing time we can see all these things. So I am just going to skip this part. So after successfully payment process, you will get a mail like this, and this is the name server of this server. We just need to add these two name server in our domain. It's a very easy process. Just click on domain name in GoDaddy. Just click on manage DNS, and these two is the default name server. Just click on change and just put here these two name server. Just copy and paste, copy it and paste it here. After that, again same, copy the second name server and paste it here. After that, just save it. It will take some time to save. Just click on yes and continue. And it will take some time to connect our domain to server. Maybe it will take 1 hour. To check the name server is connected or not, just open a website. The website name is whatsmydns.net. After that, just write here your domain name. And in that mail, you can see this is the IP address. This need to be shown here. Not soon, it will take some time. We need to wait for that.
So again I am checking it after 1 hour. Just type here your domain name. So one page is coming, index of. It's mean it's successfully connected our domain to our server.
So in next lesson, we'll learn how to install WordPress and how to install themes and how to install plugin. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.